The next step is to install the bed frame to the bed panels. Today we'll be installing the Supreme Steel bed frame. So you're going to need bag number 4 and bag number 5 if you are using the Supreme Steel bed frame, and bag number 4 and bag number 6 if you are using the Elite Aluminum bed frame. We recommend that you lay the 2 bed panels down on a flat surface with either a carpet or blanket underneath to protect the face. The side with the pre-drilled handle holes is the side the frame is attached to. Position the partially drilled holes in the center. Orientate the head end closest to the wall cabinet to facilitate future lifting of the bed frame onto the lift mechanisms. Now use your coins between the 2 panels as spacers. Place 1 quarter at the top and 1 quarter at the bottom. As an option, you can also use painter's tape to temporarily secure the panels and coins together without obstructing the areas where the bed frame will be affixed. Make sure the panels are lined up flush on the foot and head end, and also that they are pushed snug together, but where you can still move the quarter up and down. Now, measure the front panels from diagonal corner to corner to ensure the panels are square. The next thing we are going to do is we'll take the metal frame pieces and arrange them on top of the bed panels. This is also a good time to remove any stickers that may lay underneath the metal frames. The head end, which will be the end closest to the cabinet, has to be flush with the end of the panels. You'll now install the panel guards, which are intended to provide some protection for the bed panels if the bed is lowered without the bed legs in their proper position. From bag number 5, as this is a Supreme Steel frame, or from bag number 6 if it was an aluminum frame, get 1 panel guard and 2 3/16 by 1/2 inch black truss head Phillips screws and position the panel guards against the outer end of the head frame so that the bent tabs sit on the inner surface of the corner of the panels. Loosely hold these in place by inserting the 2 screws through the panel guard and through the head frame holes. Now, fit a 4-hole corner bracket inside the corner, seating it into the 2 screws already there. Secure the screws with 2 3/16 nylock nuts and then hand tighten the nuts. It's important that you position the screws so that the heads are on the outside of the bed frames and the hexagon nuts are to be installed on the inside. And then insert the other 2 screws with the nylock nuts on the other side of the bracket. Now repeat these steps on the opposite side of the head end of the cabinet. Next, at the foot end of the bed, connect the side rails and the end rails using 4-hole corner brackets, but leave the bottom hole on the side rail open for the leg stops. Now locate the leg stops and insert a 3/16 by 1 1/4 black flathead Phillips screw and then into the bottom hole, then hand tighten the nut on the other side. You'll repeat this process on the other side with the other leg stop. Now, using a Phillips screwdriver and a 3/8 wrench or a socket wrench, you will tighten all of the nuts on all 4 corners. When installing the bed frame to the bed panels, you're going to want to ensure that the side frames run parallel to the side of the bed panels. It is important that the bed frame is positioned equally on both sides. It should be approximately 15/16 of an inch between the bed frame and the panel, depending on the coin spacer used, and you'll confirm this on either side. At the foot end and the head end, re-measure to ensure nothing has shifted and is equal on both sides. Also confirm that both of these panels are flush together along the head end and make sure the panels are still tight together, aligned with one another on both ends, and snug against the two coin spacers. Now, at the head end, drill 2 Robertson screws in on either side of each panel. It is extremely important that you do not over-torque the power drill, as this could cause the holes to strip. Again, double check your measurements and ensure the panels are still aligned and running parallel to the bed panels, and measure diagonally corner to corner to ensure the frame is still square. Once you have confirmed everything is still in line and square, repeat this process of screwing in 2 screws into either panel, but now at the foot end. Now we are going to position the 2 steel stiffeners so they are spaced evenly for the maximum support. Also, it is important not to cover the holes for the front handles. Now, before screwing in the stiffeners, screw in 3 Robertson screws into each side rail. Now screw in 1 Robertson screw into either side of the stiffeners so that they are held into place. Now screw in all the remaining screws into the rails and into the stiffeners. And a reminder to be extra careful not to over-torque the power drill as it could strip the screws. When installing the Velcro strap, you're going to make sure that you pull apart 2 Velcro halves. The Velcro is designed to overlap the mattress. Now you'll attach the Velcro to the 4th hole from the foot end of the bed. Locate the 4th hole and remove the screw. Place one side of the Velcro strap over the hole number 4. Now place the screw through a 3/16 by 3/4 washer and drill it into the Velcro strap and back into the hole in the rail. Make sure that you hold onto the Velcro strap because it will twist. Now repeat on the other side. Just a reminder to ensure that the Velcro loops and hooks face each other properly before screwing each strap into place. Lastly, you'll remove the coin spacers. You've now completed the Murphy bed frame assembly.